Well, about 36 million adult Americans are addicted to cigarettes.
And the FDA says 480,000 yearly American deaths are linked to them. But soon, each cigarette smoked could have less nicotine in it if the FDA decides.
Reducing nicotine levels is a huge opportunity to help millions of American smokers end their addiction once and for all.
Erica Sword with the American Lung Association is hopeful the FDA will finally, after years of being able to, require tobacco companies to bring down added nicotine to levels that are no longer addictive. They've had the ability to do it for decades, but no administration has pursued the change until now.
It would be historic, it would be groundbreaking, and it would save millions and millions of lives.
About 75% of tobacco users or smokers would quit if they could, but it's so addictive.
Libby Stern, a licensed social worker and tobacco treatment specialist with Spectrum Health, says that nicotine's addictive qualities are on par with cocaine, even heroin, making it one of the hardest habits to kick. And while the FDA considers reducing nicotine levels, they're also facing an April 29th deadline to respond to a lawsuit asking the agency to remove menthol cigarettes from the marketplace altogether.
The thing that menthol does is it has kind of a numbing effect on your throat. People oftentimes inhale more deeply.
And both Sward and Stern say that the menthol issue is one of racial disparity in the tobacco industry.
It's been heavily marketed always to minority groups, in particular to Black Americans.
So many Black Americans, especially men, lose their lives to lung cancer caused by menthol cigarettes.
In fact, the African American Tobacco Control Leadership Council is a plaintiff on the lawsuit. After years of progress here and there, public health experts are now hopeful this is the time to take a massive leap in the battle against nicotine addiction.
It means that youth are less likely to become hooked if they experiment, and it will make it easier for current smokers to get the help they need and successfully quit.
Doug Reardon, Fox 17 News.